Hello and welcome to my channel, Make English Easy.
Lesson number 2, Occupation.
Do you know what this image is? Let's learn to spell and read.
What is his job? Police officer. He is a police officer. Repeat after me. He is a police officer. He is a police officer. Police officer. Repeat after me. Police officer. Police officer. Police officer.
Now it's your turn.
Five things you need or use to do this job. Do you know what this is? Badge.
Say it again.
This is a badge. Repeat after me. This is a badge. This is a badge. Do you know what this is? Uniform.
Say it again.
This is a uniform. Repeat after me. This is a uniform. This is a uniform. Do you know what this is? Police car.
Say it again.
This is a police car. Repeat after me. This is a police car. This is a police car. Do you know what these are? Handcuffs.
Say it again.
These are handcuffs. Repeat after me. These are handcuffs. These are handcuffs. Do you know what this is? Gun.
Say it again.
This is a gun. Repeat after me. This is a gun. This is a gun.
Wow, well done. Now it's your turn.
Police officer. He is a police officer. Repeat after me. He is a police officer. He is a police officer. Can you read these 6 sentences?
Sentence number 1.
He is a police officer. He is a police officer.
Now it's your turn.
Sentence number 2. This is a badge. This is a badge.
Now it's your turn.
Sentence number 3. This is a uniform. This is a uniform.
Now it's your turn.
Sentence number 4. This is a police car. This is a police car.
Now it's your turn.
Sentence number 5. These are handcuffs. These are handcuffs.
Now it's your turn.
Sentence number 6. This is a gun. This is a gun.
Now it's your turn. Great job. Well done. Keep practicing every day and you'll soon be reading.
With teacher Mick, alphabet to reading. Learn with teacher Mick, reading really quick. Yeah, yeah. Teacher Mick.
Ta-da! See you next time.